Hi, it's Jessica here at JingGuo English. In my last video, I had talked about subject-verb agreement and auxiliary verbs, which are used to indicate tenses. And there are 12 different verb tenses in the English language. So today, I'm just going to do a quick overview of a few commonly used tenses, while focusing on two particular tenses that learners find especially confusing. First off, the present simple tense. This is the base form of the verb. So it's used for general information like habits or schedules. For example, I walk to school every day. He goes to the gym in the morning. The train arrives at noon. Present simple is also used for facts. Fish fly, birds swim, sea otters hold hands while sleeping so that they don't fly away or float away. Basically, things that are stable and don't really change. Next, the present continuous tense, aka the present progressive tense. The form for this tense is to be plus verb plus ing. And this is used to talk about things you are currently doing. So, for example, I am talking right now. She is currently reading right now. The next two tenses, past simple and present perfect, require you to memorize the past forms and the PP, past participle form of verbs. What's even more confusing for learners is that both are used to describe things that happened in the past. So let's start with the past simple tense. Past simple is used to describe specific events in the past that ended in the past. I went to Japan last year. I ate a sandwich for lunch today. When my mom was a young child, she would run barefoot in the fields. Remember, this specifically happened in the past. Here's a test-taking tip. If you see words like yesterday, last night, last year, or ago, like 2 days ago, a few months ago, know that you'll need to use the past simple tense. I went to school yesterday. I flew home 3 days ago. Alright, now on to present perfect tense. The present perfect uses the form to have plus PP, the past participle. Present perfect is used for indefinite times, which means it's something that happened in the past, but the specifics like the exact time isn't really known or isn't important. I have eaten. I have done it. He has written many notes to his friend. I have spoken about this so many times. It is also used to talk about things in the past that started in the past and is continuing now. I have lived in Taiwan for 6 years. I have lived in Taiwan since 2017. Here's another test-taking tip. When you see for or since, that's a key indicator that the present perfect tense should be used. Most importantly, present perfect is used to talk about experiences. A way to remember this is, once you've had the experience, it won't expire, so it continues even now. This is why we say, have you ever tried sushi? Have you ever ridden a horse? Have you ever entered a competition? Because these questions are asking for experience. And this is why there's a famous never have I ever game. It's a great way to get to know someone because you are learning about what they had done or what they have done. Here's something else that's interesting. There are times where you could use both the past tense and present perfect tense when talking about a topic. Someone may ask you, have you ever been to Japan? You would answer, no, I haven't, or yes, I have. You could also add, I went last year. The reason you use past simple is because you are talking about a specific time or incident in the past where you went to Japan. So in this conversation, even if the topic traveling to Japan is the same, you could use both tenses. Here's another example. Have you ever stayed up all night? Yes, I have. 2 years ago, I went camping with my friends and none of us slept all night. Whew, that was a mouthful. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you next time. Again, this is Jessica at JingGuo English. Talk to you later.